We have climbed like I don't know how much.
20
But, like,
kilometers in.
We got more to do.
20 km and easy as
It's
hell.
going up.
He's dying.
Easy.
Hello. We are like halfway. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
As you can
Someone
see,
is not feeling very good.
and Twin Towers.
The view is
Definitely
kind of
nice.
sick. Look at that.
He's dead.
The airplane's about to hit the Twin Towers.
That shit crazy.
That's Centaurus, yeah, right? No? That's a mosque.
You've seen. Welcome back, guys. This is the last vlog, and in this part we'll throw some rocks to see who can get us the furthest. First off, it's Qasim. It's your turn. Go ahead.
What's up, guys? It's
You
your-
guys will have to be the judge of who can throw it the furthest because we can't see. That is
That was
Qasim.
bad.
Now Mustafa.
His one
That is
definitely
Mustafa.
further.
Take the camera. It's me.
Yep. It's time for the guy,
We're going
the
to do some
myth,
weight.
the man, the legend,
He might
Escanor,
throw
bro.
that rock.
As you can see,
I think I take the cake.
yeah, he won.
But you
But
gotta
he has to-
confirm that in the video.
Yep.
He took a big start jump to make momentum.
I mean, even with the jump.
You could not do that.
Facts.
Anyways, that was it for our hiking trip.
They both broke their ankles.
But it's not on a hiking trip. We're gonna vlog the car back, and we're probably gonna vlog at the house as well. So stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Do not.
Hello, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum. We're back at it again. Vlog number 4. As you can see, Mustafa, me, and Qasim himself. And we have food. We forgot to bring tang and any beverages because we're stupid.
And
There's brownies. There's club sandwiches, which I don't
they're
know how
not
they're club.
sandwiches. There's just sandwiches.
And there are some things that Qasim with high protein shit. You know,
Yes.
gym
Let's
bro right
go.
there.
And
That's
edible.
pretty much it. Now we're gonna finish this all up and we're gonna be back with vlog number 5. Assalamu alaikum, back at it again. We just packed up the picnic spot. Everything's gone. We clean up after ourselves. We're now monkeys. This is Mustafa. Post eating, he's fresh now. Hopefully we will go without stopping. This is Qasim
My
over
tummy
here.
is hurting.
He was fresh anyway. We played a ton of games. I think I won the most.
That's a
Qasim was
complete
second.
lie. That's a complete
Mustafa
lie.
lost.
Qasim, you agreed that he lost the majority of the game.
I'm agree that I was second. I'm
Yeah.
agree that he was first. I'm agree that you fucking ass.
I'm agree that you both suck dick at night.
No, Qasim, okay? We go boys. We don't do that shit. So, show them the view down. Wait, I'll do
And
it.
show
heard
the
that
place
idea.
where Shan got fucked.
This is the place we're about to go down. And I took a piss over there if you all remember.
And I won the pull-up thingy over there.
That was kind of cheating. He was pulling her pants down. And that's it. Signing off. Qasim, Mustafa, and myself. We're gonna do vlog 6 on the way back when Mustafa's done.
Hello,
Thank you,
everybody. Welcome to vlog number. I don't know what it is. What's good, Shan?
I'm Shahanza from Masood. And
No
I'm
shit.
here on trail number 3, which chose the easy way back. Because
Shah
it's
suggested
Mustafa.
that way.
Not
Shah
gonna say
suggested
anything-
way.
Not gonna say anything wrong. Okay, now when I
He
think at the
twisted his
middle,
ankle, by the way.
we
Both
let
of
the
them.
we let the people
Just put the fries in the
pass.
bag, bro.
Yeah, so yeah, pan out to Mustafa. He's gonna tell us his number 1 anime crush.
Shinobu.
Fuck you! I was gonna choose
Okay,
that.
okay, reason.
No,
Reason,
fine,
reason.
fine,
No,
fine,
do that.
fine,
No, go
fine.
back, go
No,
back.
no,
You
no,
cussed
it's alright,
us.
it's
You
alright.
cussed the
It's in the
video.
vlog. It's
You
in the
cussed
vlog.
the vlog. No,
No,
go
no,
back.
sorry.
No, go back.
Okay,
I'll
sure,
do that. Yo guys, as you can see, we're hiking and we're on the way down. This is
Midway
gonna be
down.
not posted, so we can say whatever we want. So
Oh, yeah.
pan on to Mustafa. Mustafa, tell
Yeah.
me your anime crush.
The anime crush that you want to be your future wife, the personality or the
Just
traits that
pick
you
one,
want.
bro.
Put the fries in the bag, little bro.
Shinobu was taken by Qasim, that's why I chose Rize.
And because he chose Shinobu, and I don't want to be the guy who chooses his crush again and again.
I prefer
so
Rize over Shinobu.
So I'm gonna choose Waguri from the Fragrant Flower.
Bro is sickening me.
Back to
He
me.
sickens me.
I think I'm gonna take Esdet. I forgot the show's name, but
86.
Bro likes to be dominated.
86.
Bro likes to be
Yeah, that's
dominated.
fuck. I do not like.
Bro
it.
likes to be
I'll-
dominated.
Nah, she was bad though, it's valid.
No, he likes to be
Yeah,
dominated.
this is cut.
He's
and
taking
after
personality
this-
dominate karna thi.
Yeah,
He
this-
likes to be dominated.
Mustafa,
He likes to be dominated. He's
you
strong.
can't talk dude.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Okay, I'm Shan. I'm starting the vlog again because
How
Mustafa
the
does
Baba
not
now
know.
announce you karna tha? We know that you're Shan. He.
Nigga, this is the first vlog that's going on.
First,
You
okay,
stupid idiot.
restart,
Cancel it.
restart.
He's done.
See the cover.
Yo, it's Shan right here, Mustafa, and the cameraman Qasim.
That's the
I don't know
stupid
why
guys
they're there.
ever.
Bro, you posted now. Vlog number 3. As you can see,
Chris, he's Mexican now, by the
we're
way.
down here. We're probably towards the end of it, closer towards the end. We just came down from this hill.
I don't know how we
It slipped a lot. And there are some flowers that Mustafa's gonna give to Qasim in a few minutes. I'll vlog
Yes, I
that
will.
as well. And yeah, that's about it. We just ate brownies. Some shit Qasim made. I don't know what that was. It was good though.
Hot pockets.
And club
Sandwiches.
sandwiches. Tasted amazing. And we're on the way back from a sugar rush. Now roll out to the
And we
next
had string as well.
Yippee! Sting.
Yo, easy. It's a pussy bag going.
Pan it to us. This is me. This is Kasim. That's the pussy bag.
Assalamualaikum everyone. We are about to conclude our annual cardio. And to end it off, we're gonna move towards the end and we all have rocks and we're going to throw it back at the start. And over to Shan for some final words of wisdom.
Final version is that he went too far. I don't think the camera got him. But the thing is, we're gonna throw rocks, see who gets the furthest, and whoever gets the furthest wins nothing, honestly. It's just a show of pride. And plan it to Mustafa now. Mustafa, plan it to yourself.
There we go.
And no, you can't just plan it.
Okay, so I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna throw the rocks over there because there's nobody over there right now.
यार से पता है ये पोस्ट करेंगे ना I have to hide it from everybody क्योंकि पूरा वक्त इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ मेरी बेइज्जती करनी है बंदे ने बर्गर क्या
Because you are a burger.
Rock cancel next vlog.
In this part, we'll throw rocks. What the fuck? Welcome back, guys. This is the last vlog, and in this part, we'll throw some rocks to see who can get us the furthest. First off, it's Kasim. It's your turn. Go ahead.
What's up, guys? It's
You
your-
guys will have to be the judge of who can throw it the furthest because we can't see. That is Kasim.
That was bad.
Now Mustafa.
His one
That is
definitely
Mustafa. Take the camera. It's me.
Yep. It's time for the guy,
Bro,
the myth, the man, the legend, Escanor, bro.
That rock.
As you can see,
I think I take the cake.
yeah, he won.
But you
But he
gotta
has to-
confirm that in the video.
Yep.
He took a big start jump to make momentum.
I mean, even with the jump,
You could not do that.
facts. Anyways, that was it for our hiking trip.
They both broke their ankles.
But it's not on a hiking trip. We're gonna vlog the car back, and we're probably gonna vlog at the house as well. So stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Do not. Look us.
Don't know which vlog this is, but we have our feast. We just bought snacks
dying
for the
over
movie. And this is Kasim's old house. If you don't know, I didn't know that either. And I
Facts.
was walking back home. I think about 5 minute walk left. Afterwards, we're gonna watch Shutter Island, hopefully.
Inshallah.
Next vlog at house. Be ready.
And by the way, Asna was almost about to die here. This
Who's
is the old
Asna?
house. My cousin.
The one handsome piece of.
Vlog number 7. See the
Six,
husky on top of the
7.
house. The husky has aura, bro.
Mustafa doesn't have any aura.
We don't have no aura because we're
Facts.
walking. He on top. He is up. No, we're not doing that. Like that's it. And now definitely we're gonna be inside the house and watching a movie because we've had enough bullshit for today.
Hell
Do you have
yeah.
a shepherd
Yeah.
here?